Hey ladies and gents, it's fixing to rain. Didn't make much progress here. This plug is not coming apart. I don't know if you see that down there on the tank and the drive line. That's all salt. It's been welded together with salt. It's starting to rain right now. So I want to get my tools picked up and get cleaned up and cook a ribeye and settle down for the night. So put my stuff inside here. Doesn't look so bad when it's standing up. I'm gonna have to cut those lights off. It had a piece of carpet laying in the bottom, and that carpet held water, and it's got drainage hose, you see, but because it had that carpet, it rusted the bolts on the bottom of them headlights. So it's raining right now. Go ahead and get this stuff. The rest of this stuff should be all right out here. I don't like that getting wet. That wouldn't be very good to get that wet. It'd be a giant sponge. There we go. Probably use some work on this hinge here. I know it. Too late. I done put my tools away. So anyway, that's where I am. So tomorrow I'll have to go get a new plug, the type of plug where you slide the wires in. It's got the screw, and then I have to have two. So two of these, but I need the type that looks like on the back of the trailer. Replace that, and then put the new one in for the brakes. And so I got plenty of cord for my. And see this, they had. Ken had this on there for a power supply, so that's not doing me any good. Anyway, ladies and gentlemen, I'm done. I am done. And I'll go ahead and put this video up, even though it's not finished, but we'll finish it up tomorrow, so you'll have something tomorrow to watch too. So tomorrow I'll finish with the putting the brake in and the new receptacles, and make a plate going across there, squeeze plate, so when you put the bolt in, you draw the plate up, draw the plate, put the bolts in, you draw the plate up, and so it hooks on either side, and do that on front and back. That was Finest's idea, and I think it'll work great. So, and then I had to move this back. There's going to be a hole yet up there behind the headache rack, so I'll look around and see if I can't find something around Tim Finest's yard, the Gentry's yard. I'm sure they got something laying around here. Don't need a big old hole. Don't need a big old hole when I'm standing there trying to get in the headache rack. Might fall and wrap my leg around the drive line, and then what am I going to do? Anyway, I know I'm being silly. Have a wonderful day wherever you are, ladies and gentlemen. Have lots of fun. Enjoy your Friday. We'll make a video for tomorrow. God bless, and later.